Good morning, children. This video is for class 3, subject Mathematics, term 3, chapter number 3. And the name of the chapter is Geometry. And this is our lecture number 5. Today's topics are mental maths, patterns, exercise 3E, and worksheet. In that worksheet, we will learn fill in the blanks, identify the shape, how many line segments are required, and measure each side of the figure. So let's start. Now beta, first of all we will do mental maths, which is given on page number 39 in your book. So here we have given a dice, okay, and the question is hold the dice in your hand, okay, look at it closely. डाइस को आपने अपने हैंड में लेना है और उसको आपने क्लोजली देखना है. What you will observe that after that you have to give the answer of the following. How many faces does it have? एक डाइस में बेटा कितने फेसेस होते हैं? There are 6 numbers on this dice, so there are 6 faces. Okay, so here we will write answer 6 faces. Now B. How many edges does it have? So how many edges a dice or a cube have? That is 12 edges. So here we will write 12 edges. Okay. Now the next question is in C part. How many vertices does it have? So in a cube or in a dice there are 8 vertices. Okay. 4 at the top side and 4 at the lower side. Okay. So there are 8 vertices. Now in D part, are all faces equal? Now it's saying that कि इसके सभी जो फेस हैं बेटा वो इक्वल होते हैं. Yes, all faces of a dice or a cube are equal. Okay. Question number 2. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices, and its faces are equal. Now look around and list 5 objects which are cubes. Okay, so here beta we have to write the object name which are cubical shape. Okay, means जिसकी shape कैसी होती है? Cube shape होती है. So here we will write the answer. Number 1 is dice. The best example is dice. After that, this is a dice. Okay, now number 2, that is Rubik cube. Rubik cube क्या होता है बेटा? That is this playing cube. Okay, इसका नाम होता है Rubik cube. Now number 3, that is ice cube. Okay, like this. Okay, and number 4, couch. What do you mean by couch beta? Like this. You can use it at homes. ठीक है, जो हमारा सोफा सेट के साथ आता है इसे हम couch बोलते हैं. Okay, this is of cubical shape. And number 5, that is sugar cubes. Okay, like this. Understood beta? So whenever you have to give the examples of cubical objects or cube shape objects, you can give any 1 or 2 example from it. Okay, whatsoever is asked from you. Now question number 3. I am 3-dimensional and I have one face with no vertices and no edges. What am I? So here beta it is given that we have to write the 3-dimensional shape that has only one face and no vertex, no edge. So which is that shape? That is sphere. Okay, so here we will write S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Understood? Now the next one is patterns, which is given on page number 39. We see many patterns around us. They follow some rules. हमारे आसपास बेटा हम बहुत सारे पैटर्न्स देखते हैं और वो कोई रूल जो है उसे फॉलो करते हैं. ठीक है, so first we have to observe the given pattern and after that we have to follow that rule. Okay, a repeated design or order found in a thing is called a pattern. ठीक है, जो डिजाइन जो है बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है, ओके, और उसी ऑर्डर में रिपीट हो रहा है, किसी भी थिंग में हो सकता है वो किसी भी चीज में, लाइक इन टाइल्स. ओके, सो that are called a pattern. ठीक है, कर्टन में हो सकता है, टाइल्स में हो सकता है, इन विंडोज एंड डोर एंड these type of things in at walls. ठीक है, so that are called pattern. So here you can see that one example of pattern is given. So here these all are flowers, but here in this flower yellow color is there, then this brown color is there, then again yellow, then brown, then yellow, then brown, then yellow, then brown. Means after every yellow, brown follows it. Okay, and here you can see another pattern. This is a pattern of shapes. So here first square is given, then triangle. Okay, then again triangle is given, but in opposite direction, then again square, then triangle in purple color, then triangle in yellow color but in opposite direction, again square is given, then triangle is given. Okay, so you have to see what is given to you, and after that you have to follow the same pattern. Okay, now this is number pattern: 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Means after 1 2 is there. Okay, again 1, then again 2, then again 1, again 2. Understood beta? How you have to follow the pattern. Now beta, exercise 3E, which is given on page number 39. Complete the following patterns. So here in A part, this pattern is given: A, B, C, A, B, C, A, and after that dash. Now we have to put the correct pattern here. Okay, so after A, B follows. So here we will write B. Understood? Now in B part, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3. So now we have to write here 4. Understood? Now in C part, this is pattern is given. So here you can see that we have given a circle, okay, then triangle, then rectangle, again a square, triangle, and rectangle. Okay, and you can see that there are different colors in these, but same in triangle there is same color, purple color. This is orange color in circles, and here green color in rectangles. So now again we have given a circle, and after circle we have to draw a triangle with purple color. Understood beta? Now beta, we will do worksheet, which is given on page number 40 in your book. So here in question number 1, it is given fill in the blanks. So here in A part, spherical objects have dash surface. We have to write the surface of spherical objects. ठीक है, spherical objects means sphere shape objects. Sphere shape objects का surface कैसा होता है, face कैसा होता है, that is of curved surface. Okay, so here we will write CURVED, curved surface. All spherical objects have curved surface. Now B part. Here it is given all four sides of a dash are equal. ऐसी कौन सी शेप है जिसकी फोर साइड्स जो हैं वो इक्वल होती हैं? All four sides of a square are equal. So here we will write the spelling of square. SQUARE, square. Now in C part, it is given a triangle has dash sides and dash vertices. So here beta, we can draw a triangle at the side, and after that we can easily find out that how many sides and how many vertices it has. So first we will count the sides. So 1, 2, 3. So it means it has 3 sides. Okay, now we will count its vertices. Vertices means corners. 1, 2, 3. So here we will write 3. Means in a triangle there are 3 sides and 3 vertices. Now in D part, a cuboid has 6 faces, dash edges and dash vertices. So first we will draw a small cuboid shape here. Okay. Now beta, faces already given. We have to write its edges. So how many edges in a cuboid? That are 12. So here we will write 12 edges. And vertices, how many vertices? That are 8 vertices. Okay. 4 from the bottom and 4 from the top. ओके, 4 कॉर्नर्स जो हैं वो टॉप पार्ट के और 4 कॉर्नर्स बॉटम पार्ट के. तो कितने हो गए? 4 + 4 8 vertices. Okay. Now in E part it is given a dash and a dash. Both have plane and curved surfaces. ऐसे कौन से शेप्स हैं हमारी बेटा जिनके अंदर प्लेन और कर्व्ड दोनों सरफेस होते हैं? And there are two shapes, that is number 1 cone shape, cone cone, and number 2 cylinder, cylinder, cylinder. So a cone and a cylinder both have plane and curved surfaces. Okay. cone के अंदर one plane shape, plane वो होता है face, और one कौन सा होता है? curved होता है. And in a cylinder there are two plane faces and one curved face. Okay. Now in F part, it is given conical objects have dash vertex. So conical objects के अंदर कितने vertex होते हैं? So cone shape object जो होते हैं, in that only one vertex is there. So here we will write 1. Understood beta? Now question number 2. Identify the shapes of the following. So here in A part, we have given this shape, and that is globe, and we have to write that what is the shape of this object, and that is sphere. So here we will write S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Now in B part, this object is given, okay, and we have to write the shape of this object, and this is dice. So what is the solid shape of this dice? That is cube. So here we will write C-U-B-E, cube. Now in C part, this object is given, and which object is this beta? This is a box. Okay, and what is the shape of this box? That is of cuboid. Okay, so here we will write C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. This is cuboid shape object. Now question number 3, it is given how many line segments are required to make these alphabets. So here we have given some alphabets beta, and we have to count that how many line segments are needed to draw that alphabet. Okay, so here in A part, this alphabet L is given. Now we will count that how many line segments are required to draw this alphabet L. So 1 and 2. Okay, so 2 line segments are required here. So here we will write the answer 2. Now in B part, this alphabet Z is given. Okay, now we will count how many line segments are required. 1, 2 and 3. So here 3 line segments are required to draw this Z, alphabet Z. Now in C part, this alphabet N is given. Now we will count 1, 2, 3. So with the help of 3 line segments, we can easily draw N. Okay. So here we will write 3 line segments. Now in D part, this alphabet W is given. Now we will count 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here 4 line segments are required to draw this alphabet W. Understood beta?
Now beta, question number 4 of worksheet, that is measure each side of the following figures and identify them. So here in A part, this figure is given and we have to measure the length of these line segments. So here first one is given PQ. So here first of all we will measure the length of this PQ, that is 3.4 centimeters. So here we will write 3.4 4 centimeter. Okay. Now the next one is RS. So now we will measure the length of line segment RS, and the length of this line segment RS is equal to 3.4 centimeter. Now we have to find out the length of PR. So here the length of PR is 1.6 centimeter. So here we will write 1.6 centimeter. And again the length of this QR means this line segment QS, that is equal to 1.6 centimeter. Okay, so here beta, this side is equal to this side, and this PQ length segment is equal to line segment RS. Okay, so this figure is a rectangle because the opposite sides are equal. Okay, so here we will write rectangle, RECTANGLE. So this figure is a rectangle. Okay. Now beta, in B part, this figure is given, L, M, N line segments are given, and we have to measure the length of LM first of all, line segment LM. So here we will put the scale like this and find out the length of line segment LM, and that is equal to 2 centimeter. So here we will write 2 centimeter. Now we have to measure the length of line segment MN. So here the length of line segment MN, that is also equal to 2 centimeter. Now we have to measure the length of line segment LN. So here LN is given, and the length of line segment LN is also 2 centimeter. Okay, so hence this figure is a triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle बोलते हैं बेटा इसे हम, क्योंकि इसकी सारी sides क्या हैं, equal है. You will learn about these triangles in your next class. Okay, in 4th class. So this is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Hence this figure is a triangle. Understood beta?
Now beta, today's homework, do assignment number 1 of chapter number 3, geometry, given on at Quark website. So I have made one assignment for you. You have to do that assignment and you have to send it on my mail ID. Okay. Now beta, I had given you to draw the shape of cylinder. Okay. So first of all, we will draw 2 lines format. Okay. And after that, we will write date, that is 3/2/2021, and here Wednesday and HW. Okay. And here in between we will write chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is geometry. Now we will draw cylinder shape here. So first of all we will write cylinder. For that beta, we need 2 standing lines. Okay, so first of all we will draw 2 standing lines like this, and then we have to draw the curved line in between these 2 lines. Okay, like this, at the top side as well as at the lower side. Okay, so this cylinder shape we have made. So now we have to write its faces. So this is the curved face. Okay, and this both are plane faces. So here we will write plane face. Again here we will write plane face. Now we have to write its edges. So this is the edge. So here we will write edge. Okay, and this is also the edge. So here also we will write edge. So beta, you have also to write or label this diagram. ठीक है, जो हमने ये draw किया है cylinder shape, you have to write its faces as well as its edges, and it does not have any vertex. Now we will write its properties. So here, properties of a cylinder. So beta, first property is it has 3 faces. 2 faces are plane and 1 face is curved face. Okay. Now number 2, it has How many edges? Two edges. Okay, and number 3, it does not have any vertex. It does not have any vertex. Now we have to write its example. So here in examples, new pencil and drum, etc. you can write. Understood, beta? Now, beta, I had also given exercise 3D. It is given on page number 38. Question number 3. Here it is given that name any 3 objects which have flat surface. ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट्स के नाम लिखने हैं हमने बेटा जिनका सरफेस जो है वो फ्लैट होता है. So here we will write number 1 means A part mobile phone, and B part we will write LCD or LED or television, any one of them. All have flat surfaces. Okay, and C part, that is book. Okay, so you can write any other name also if you know the spelling of that. Okay, now question number 4. It is given name any 3 objects which have curved surface. Now we have to write the name of those objects which have only curved surface. So here we will write in A part, that is football, in B part marbles, and in C part bulb. Okay, तो ये सभी के जो surface होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं बेटा? Curved surface होते हैं. Okay, question number 5. That is, name any 3 objects which have both flat and curved surfaces. So we have to find out now those objects which have both flat and curved surface. So here we will write number 1 is candle, B, that is water bottle, and in C, traffic cones. Understood, beta? These are the examples of flat and curved surfaces objects. Understood, beta? Thank you.